Hey, good morning, folks. Welcome to the dog days of summer and Agero's Week 7 Summer Hustle this week. I'm George Horvath, COO here at Agero, ready to announce this week's 7 winners and reward them for all their hustling that they've been doing this summer along. Summer Hustle Week 7 winners getting that $500 gift card starts off with Randall Fisher of FBR Towing and Recovery in Charlottesville, Virginia. Jayson Bahamonde of Dynamic Transport in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Matthew Slater of US Towing and Recovery in Louisville, Kentucky. And Dane Throop of Osong Towing in Honolulu, Hawaii. All 4 of you are having a $500 gift card headed your way, and it looks like we're hitting all 50 of our states this time as we've nailed Hawaii off the list. Next up, just as important are those dispatchers, 2 winners of the $500 gift cards for dispatchers. David Wilson of M&R Automotive Service in Geneseo, New York, and Heidi Ahmad of Date Palm Towing in Coachella, California. Congratulations to both of those dispatchers for Week 7 winners with $500 gift cards coming your way. Last but not least, let's not forget about those owners for a $250 gift card. This week's winner for the owners is Kevin Willis of On Hook Towing and Recovery in Jacksonville, North Carolina. Congrats to Kevin as he's going to get a $250 gift card heading his way. Want to congratulate all 7 winners. Really appreciate everyone's hard hustling work through these dog days of summer. Remember, we're hustling for that sweet F-150 that we're going to draw the winning driver middle of September. Every toe counts. And we will be back next week on Wednesdays, same time, same channel, announcing the next 7 winners. Appreciate everyone's efforts and hustling all summer long.